Here I have Motorola Moto C+, and let me show you how to enter the boot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Keep holding power button, let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's use the following combination of keys: the power key and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys for a few seconds, keep holding both keys and release them as soon as boot mode pops up on the screen. So this is the boot mode of Moto C+. Here you can navigate by using volume up and confirm options by pressing volume down. You can enter here the recovery mode, Fastboot mode, or you can simply choose normal to quit the boot mode and boot into the normal mode. So let me do it, let's exit the boot mode. So let's choose the third option, which is normal, and press volume down to confirm it. Right now the device is booting into the normal mode, let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent, as you can see, the normal mode is already on the screen, so everything went well, you just quit the boot mode. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.